Hi, Mr. Cook here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Meet as an online teaching application. You can pause to have a look. It's very easy and simple. Here we go. Just download that from your phone in Google Play or Apple Store. Just key in Google Meet and download that. Install. Here you go. After that, open the app and press sign in and continue. Then, put your email or your phone number. And press next. Then put in your password. After that, you log in successfully. Okay. And you need to click the link teacher sent to you, then press join. You can go to the classroom. That's so easy, right? That's it. See you next time.